Start of another trip. We're heading out to Glasshouse this time. We got on this run, Jack in his car, me in my car, and Max as a passenger between the two. Should be a good time. We'll see what we get up to. Just let down some pressures. Jack's leading the convoy today.
Let's go!
Where are we heading?
Down there, mate.
Somewhere down there. Hopefully get along the whole track. Oh, look at that poor owl.
Now,
Is it definitely alive?
Yes. Come on, continuing. You probably fully wrap it so it calms down. There we are.
We have just called Australia Zoo and they are sending a film crew to help us rescue this bird. How cool is that, Ben? Well, the day's taken a slightly different turn of events. Currently we have my car set up protecting this owl. Max is holding it in there and there's people on their way to come and cut it free. The owl is saved. We are now on our journey back to the front. Isn't that right, Benjamin? A little bit odd, but yes.
Yep. Hey guys, my name's Jack Dawn, and you might have seen me on the latest episode of Crikey It's the Owens. And they came out and rescued it, and they filmed the whole thing. And you can catch us next month on Crikey It's the Owens.
Next year.
Sorry.
Jack has already damaged his bull bar. He only bumped into the tree. And yeah, it's just pretty bent. Yeah, Jack just bought a new axe. Lovely morning out here. We're just getting ready and getting up. It's a beautiful little spot. Just down here on the dam site. So there's another paddock site which is up there somewhere. It's just a great little area. See what today gets up to. This is how Jack fixes his car.
What?
Oh! Beautiful! Mate, it's straight out!
22!
Straighter than today's just right! Day 2, we're just back in the Glasshouse Mountains in the forest again. We're heading in, trying to find some more tracks. Hopefully no injured owls today, but should be a good day. See what we get up to. Yeah, this side as well.
Your take on this, Benjamin?
Look, I would be shocked, but well, it's Jack. I'm not.
So Jack, give us your intro. Tell us what's going on here.
Nothing there. Where's the D-shuffle? I found something.
Come on, Benjamin.
There we go. Oh. Yeah, no patrol.
Another episode of Jack Dawn's amazing vehicle. After any mud bog, you got Wipey the wiper going.
Nah,
And also his indicator just stays on. Not blinking, just on. Your brake light's on too, mate. Here we are, we just climbed up a mountain. Right at the top, lovely little spot. Jack's got to get a photo shoot, of course. Can't go anywhere. But it's a bit muddy, a bit slippery. The tracks are all getting a bit wet now. Fortunately can't get the drone up, it's raining too much, but yeah, being a bit of a fun day. We're back at camp. Jack's just had some nice steaks for dinner. I think Mac's having dinner, not too sure. See what's from above. Back for another morning. Started to rain again, but not the best. Once again, Jack's stuck. Made it home. Another great end to the trip. A little update on Jack the owl. Jack's currently up in Australia Zoo. He's staying another night, so he just thought he would pop in and collect his shirt and stuff. But apparently he's doing quite well. He's going to surgery today, so they'll see how it goes. And yeah,